Hi, Sagittarius. I feel that you are sort of feeling somewhat defensive. You have to take care of so many things, and there could be many things in front of you which you are very much aware about, but maybe you are handling them, by your own, and you don't have much support in that. Although there are people involved, but maybe emotionally you are very much drained by now, so you don't have the capacity to include everyone in you with what you expect them to do as their part in that particular contribution, right? So I also feel that it could be regarding providing for someone, because you might have many responsibilities in your plate. Multiple things could be binding you right now, and because of that you might be having more than normal pressure on yourself, more than usual pressure right now. And you also feel low in energy in terms of you might feel low in your commanding energy otherwise, like, right, like you like you used to take your own decisions. There was not much interference of others in life, right? So you might be feeling low in that sort of energy, substantially low. You might be feeling that you are kind of being dominated easily these days. You are not that much in power as you used to be, or people are not seeing you from that place which they used to. I mean, they can easily manipulate you, and you are in that particular position wherein you can also get influenced by people, because you have so many things which you cannot cater by your own. For some reason, I'm also sensing pregnancy or health related issues. If someone is wishing to conceive, or someone is already pregnant here, because you might also be at that place where you were already having some sort of things in life. You were already at a position, but then you might have been wanting to foresee other things that could happen in life organically, but right now you don't have that particular interest, that I am already stable at a position and then I am able to reach out to other things. You are not feeling stable where you are. Understood? If you are at a place you're not feeling that sure about it, and it has to do with something that might have happened previously, been some sort of an abrupt moment for you. It could be a surprise element also in your life, that something might have happened in recent times, and you were actually not planning for it, you were not expecting it, and then somehow it happened and you were already not prepared for it. You were wishing to attain that particular thing in life, but you were not mentally prepared for it. You might be like, I am already at this position and I actually want to attain more blessings in life, but I am really comfortable where I am, so I don't know if I'll be able to juggle all those things, juggle in between what I'm already having and what future expects me to behave in a certain scenario wherein I have to handle other things. So you were actually not mentally prepared, and because of something that has happened, and it could be a news that might have come to you in recent past, like I said, and it was kind of positive also. I mean, the news was like an energy exchange in between two people, and you might have been, someone was waiting for it, but the other one thought that maybe this is making me some sort of feel like I'm unstable in life. Middle energy, 5 of Cups upright. I feel that there is some lady in your life, it could be a fire sign possibly, who is still very patient with you, even if you are like very much shook from inside because of what is still supporting you with your changed behavior. She's still positive with a ray of hope, right? So, but because of this, someone because of seeing the positivity in her nature, I feel if someone was very much freaking out before, they are now sort of out of that particular element. Still they are surprised, still they are shocked, because it was not something for which they were prepared right now. It was not the correct time as per them. They were expecting it, but not right now, right? So, but because of the positivity that they still have in life, someone is trying to overcome their fears and someone is trying to accept it. But herein I also feel that there could be some turbulent moments this month. You could feel that the energy exchange between you and your partner your love interest, your spouse for that matter, or someone very close to you by heart, I feel that the energy exchange would be low. You'll feel somewhat there is lack in energy, and people are not reciprocating to me like they used to before, right? They were having sleepless nights because of this particular, trauma or whatever sudden moment has happened in their life recently. But there could be someone who has also somewhat cut other people down in this, which so other one was able to feel that energy, they were able to catch that energy, and hence they were not very positive, in terms of feeling positive in terms of the energy exchange for that particular moment. You are going to feel this way, but then remember that there is someone who is still, who still has a ray of hope, and they still want best for you. It could be your own energy also. Maybe the approach to handle the situation could be different for both of you, right? Maybe they have seen you struggle. Maybe they are not very sure about your behavior right now, so hence they might be cutting you off. It could be a temporary pause, or if it is you, then definitely vice versa would be happening with you. Take it as it is resonating. I also feel that there, with someone that has already happened in past, you, because of someone now lacking their support, now not having a proper conversation with you regarding what has happened, you are trying to overcome this energy, overcome this surprise element in your life. You kind of are accepting the change, and you'll definitely go by what is needed. Okay, I strongly feel there could be pregnancy involved for few of you, although it could be for few of you only. For others, I feel that there could be a lady who could be very financially independent, and 2-3 weeks ago you might be feeling underconfident, not very sure about their success, not very sure about the changes they have to make because of the independence that they have received, or because of the decision making power they are in that. If they are in that capacity, you might have felt somewhat that it has it has some sort of control over you right now. You are not the only one who can dominate in this relationship, but right now, with that change in attitude, you are going to take a leap of faith. You are going to mold your attitude in a way that it does not destruct the relationship. If it is not pregnancy, then it could be something that has happened very positive in your partner's life. It could be, if you are a female, it could be in your life also. Okay, and someone was not handling your success or any change for that matter very beautifully, and now because they've seen some change in attitude, because they have seen some change, alterations in energy exchange, now they are coping up with what has happened, the changes that have been made in the relationship, and now they are okay with the surprise, and they have overcome the shock element. Either of the two things would be possible for majority of you. Okay, but I also feel that if you no longer want to be in that space wherein you are just reminiscing what has happened with you, the happy moments, the happy couple moments, the scenarios wherein you were confiding in your partner, and you both were like very, very strong together. You were acting very strong and mature together, and you always thought that you could handle such stances in life very, very maturely or wisely. I feel that if you're feeling low in that, but because of your acceptance, or someone, it could be the other half who has accepted it, who has accepted the change, whether it is pregnancy, whether it is any other such change, big change in life, they are now overcoming it. They are not just in that memory lane, that no longer cherishing the old moments. You have accepted your fate, or someone has accepted the fate that okay, things change. This is very organic in every relationship. There are many steps ahead, and surely and slowly we have to go with that, right? We cannot just avoid changes. We cannot just avoid new chapters in life. The gist of the reading is that you should not be stuck with what has happened so far, with your happy memories. You should just have that peace of mind that changes are inevitable in any relationship, and we have to go past with what we were not comfortable with. Okay, because it is our relationship after all, right? And it won't be decision of only one person amongst the two. It should be a mutual consent, right? And you have to handle that very strongly. So let's not stuck with the golden old memories, and let's stop hoping for what future holds for us, and let's stop and think that, okay, we were so great together and there were no difficulties at that point in time, and now we are in a different stance and we don't know how to handle it together. And just don't be in that memory lane. This is what I'm suggesting you. Just come out of that, because that is not going to help you out in your future. That is not going to help you out with your present, in fact. And you need to initiate. If someone is going to initiate that conversation with their partner to bring that spark again, to act as a team and not act as an individual, definitely someone who is not feeling very driven right now is going to think through, and maybe they will start seeing things for what they actually are, and they'll come out of their mind, they'll come out of their head that, okay, changes are acceptable, and sometimes future is really unpredictable, and we need to be together irrespective of what future holds for us, because being together should be the end result of any relationship. You need to handle everything together. That is what commitment is for, right? It could be a marriage commitment, it could be an affair commitment, or it could be a family commitment. Take it as it resonates, or even a close friend commitment, right? So if someone is going to speak about it, the other one is going to get influenced, and they are going to act accordingly. It's just that someone needs to have this conversation. Being in your own mind and expecting so much out of the other is not going to basically create any happy moments for either of you, right? If there are any changes, any such strong changes, you need to handle it together. Don't lose hope, because I guess that you are going to overcome this. The moment, the tower moment is going to reverse, because I could see both the cards, they are going to reverse. Once you are going to accept this, once you are going to accept the change, think through, have a healthy conversation, things are going to reverse. You will definitely find a solution, come what may, whatever the situation is in your life. The cards are suggesting me this. So, Sagittarius, let's see what the guidance holds for you. Humor. See, times are sometimes dark, but you have the capacity to make it more darker because of you playing with it in your mind, and playing not playfully but negatively. By negatively I mean, if you will find all the negatives about the change, if you will keep rethinking that, what if this couldn't happen, what if this didn't happen, then we would have been in a different situation. He is at fault, she is at fault. I was not expecting the change. This should have come at this particular time. We were not ready for any such thing, for any such move or change, right? It's not a situation specific change. It could be anything. So the intent is, the guidance that the tarot is, trying to tell you or convince you with is that take a pause in life. Cherish things. Cherish the moments that you still have. Many people don't even have that particular chance in life. They don't get that so easily. So they don't get to spend their life with, the partner of their choice, or they don't get to see happy moments more often. So you already are blessed, I feel. If you're together, you could deal with the situation together. This is a blessing in disguise, right? Being together, because that way you'll not be only one who would have to think and take all the load. The other one is also going to be supportive of you. If in case you know that how to initiate a conversation, how to create that confidence again in a relationship, how to make them understand, how to be patient with them, so that I also would be able to understand what they suggest, what they feel, and what they want from that relationship or in that particular time, right? So the intent is to have a conversation wherein you don't listen to react, but you listen to respond, and vice versa. So the card suggests that create a healthy space that could give both of you a chance to rekindle what you had until now, and to not lose hope about what future holds for you. Everything has a solution, just that if you're together, it would come very easily to you, because that way you're working as a team and not working as an individual. You need to just take that ownership. Even if it is you who have to initiate it, just do it, because it is for both of you, and for both of you means you are also part of both of you, right? You can beat any such situation that is not favoring you. Just don't ignore it. Just don't judge other person because they want something else from life. They want something, they are, maybe their approach of handling the situation could be very much different from you. It's because they are on their own journey, right? You're just together, and that is a blessing. There definitely would be differences, and that makes a relationship very beautiful. If someone is panicking, other one would have a sense of humor, and they can make things light by initiating some fun conversation, by showing the positive light, or by having a casual approach to it rather than having a serious approach to life, right? So it should always be a mix, because that blends very well. So have guts and initiate a conversation, because that way you definitely would reverse whatever has happened, if in case that is giving you so much trouble and that was very unplanned. It could be anything again. So thank you, Sagittarius, for your time. Om Sai Ram.